our adopted problem child from the dock where someone's been working on it, and they supposedly put an impeller in the lower unit, but the alarm's going off, so we can't run it long. But if you look at the bottom carburetor, so it's got a bad reed plate or something. That's the only way it blows out there. But he was supposed to put a new impeller in it. But it's hot, so we're going to go ahead and cut her off. It's not that hot. But it's hot enough. For some reason, the alarm's going off again. And that's disconnected, which was the oil, which was low. Disconnect the alarm going to the temperature sending unit. And so the alarm goes off, so the sensor is telling it that it's hot. Not very hot. And once again, we got that swap back over. It was upside down, if you remember, because that end was in there, that end was in there, that had the timing off. So here we are again in this fuel line, gray on blue. You've got to replace it. That was the one that deteriorated. Blue and gray, I'm sorry, was the one that deteriorated because of the ethanol. So it'll get replaced also, but our main concern now is it's blowing out of the bottom carburetor.